this would be a lot easier if I had physical tiles and the means to edit videos and be like a total YouTuber, but I don't. So I am just going to try and explain this as well as I can because I do understand the concept, so I will try. Okay, so 2x minus 4 equals 8. So using the tiles, we have 2 x's right here, and then we have minus 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then equals, so on this side, we have 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we need to get x all by itself. So the first thing we're going to do is add 4, because we have to do the opposite of what this says, and we have to do it to both sides to cancel this one out, or to zero this one out. So we're going to add 4. So in real life, I would add 4 tiles. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I would add 4 tiles. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So on this side, we would have 12. And then in this side, they would zero out. So next, we would just have 2 x's left and 12 on this side. And then we would divide by 2 by both sides. So divide by 2 and then divide by 2. And then that would get x by itself, or that would just, get 1x by itself. And then that would equal 6, because 2x divided by 2 is x equals 6. No. Sorry, 2x equals 12, and then both divided by 2, x would equal 6. So 6 is the answer for that one. So this one, so 2x plus 3 equals x minus 5. So here are the 2 x's, here are the 3, 1, 2, 3. Here are the minus 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then there's x. So again, we're trying to get x by itself, or find what the value of x is. So we're going to do, just like we did last time, we're going to subtract 3 from this side to get the x's alone, and then subtract 3 on this side. So we would have minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, and then that would be negative 8 altogether, and this would go away completely. So then we have 2x equals x minus 8. That's what we would have. So then we have to subtract x from this side, and then we'd have to subtract an x from this side. And then those would zero out. So then we just have x equals negative 8. Okay, and then so for this one, it's 7x minus 4 equals 6x plus 12. 6x plus 12. Okay, so we have, here are the 7x's, here are the 4, here are the 6x's, and here are the 12. So we have to add 4 to this side to zero these out, and then we have to add 4 to the next side. If we're going to do it, we have to do it to both sides. So we add 4 to this side, and that would give us 16. So imagine 4 more right here. So 16 on this side and 0 on this side. So then we just have 7x equals 6x plus 16. And then we have it written out right here too, just for my own brain. Okay, and then we have to subtract. So we have to get rid of, so these cancel out, or no. So we have to subtract 6 from this side and then 6 from this side. So then we just have 1x left, and so it's 1x equals 16. So x equals 16. And then 4x minus 2 equals 2x plus 3. So the 4x's, the minus 2, the 2x's, and the plus 3's. So we have to add 2. So add 2 to zero these out, and then we add 2. So then that is 5 right here. So we'd have 5. And then the 4x and the 4x, we would subtract these 2x's, and then we'd have to subtract 2 from this side. So then we just have 2x equals 5. And then 2x plus 6 equals 3x minus 4. Here are the 2x's, here are the 6, and here are the 3x's, and here are the negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first thing we need to do is, I subtracted 6 from this side to zero these out, and then you have to subtract 6 from this side. So that would be So yeah, you do minus 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and then that would be negative 10. So it's 2x equals 3x minus 10. And so then when we add 3, yeah. No, subtract 3 from this side, subtract 3 from this, so subtract. Oh, no. Oh, I see. Okay, no, so yeah. So minus 2 right here, minus 2 right here. So then you just have 1x minus 10. That doesn't really seem to make sense in my head, but I know it's 10. Yeah. I know it's 10. Okay, we'll just move on to the next one. Yeah. Okay, so x plus 10. Also, maybe you could give me a little help on that one. I know the answer's 10, and I know how to use these, but I don't know why that in my brain isn't working. Okay, so the last one. So x plus 10 equals 2x. So x plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then just 2x. So we're trying to figure out what the value of x is. So we're going to get 10 by itself here and put the x's together. So we're going to subtract this x and then subtract this x. So boom, I'll just do it since this one's an easy one. Boom. So then it's 10 equals x. Yeah, and that's how I did it. This would be a lot easier with the tiles, but this was how I made it work for right now. So thank you.